What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Supercharged Trail back with another one. Yes, sir. And as you can see today, we got stuff laid out. Stuff laid out. Trunk, trunk open. About to get ready to start loading up everything. About to go ahead and take it to the machine shop. Finally, got the heads and stuff in here. Got the heads. You know, they've been off in the cut, just chilling, just patiently waiting. Had to put that paper down. I ain't want my seats to get stained up and nothing like that. Interior pretty decent. Nice little 2004 Impala. Ain't gonna show too much on him. You know what I'm saying? Ain't gonna show too much on him. Call that door back. Now we gotta leave it open. But yeah, so I'm getting everything ready to go to the machine shop. As I said not too long ago. It was like about an hour and 20 minutes away. So it's a little dry. Then I gotta fight that traffic. But we gonna make it though. We gonna make it. I gotta see who's gonna help me pick this motor up though. Cause can't use that. Can't use that. The engine hoist. Look at my baby over there. She should be on the road soon. Minor hiccup. Whole new switching it up a little bit on it though. But back to the main thing. Yeah. So what we getting did to this is we're gonna go get it machined and cleaned up. Get all this cleaned up inside the engine block and on them cylinder walls for the pistons. Hopefully they ain't got to be re-sleeved or anything like that. But if you can see, it definitely need to be cleaned up. I had this over it since it's been out here. But still, a little dirt and stuff obviously been flying up under there. Cause that stuff look kind of fresh. But yeah, we're gonna get a nice little decent cam in there. We getting new lifters, new piston rings. I'm gonna get this. We're gonna get these cleaned up too. And if they good to go back in there, we're gonna ride out with them. New bearings, new push rods. I'm gonna show y'all everything that's going inside the engine block in a couple of minutes. This is just the engine itself. You see, it even look a little. Oh, it look nasty. But we about to get that thing clean. Ooh. Yeah, that's bad. I don't know. Look at that. That ain't good. The rest. But hey, that's why I've been sent. Cause I wasn't about to touch it. Do nothing. I ain't did nothing to the car. Since it been at the house. Took me a while to go get it. But yeah, nice little 3800 supercharged engine. We're gonna try to put as much power to it as we can. Cause I feel like if it's a Chevy, it gotta look like one, run like one, and sound like one. And even give you the problems on the back end like the normal Chevy do. This a power steering pump. That still ain't even been opened yet. And I say everything going on here gonna be basically about new. But ain't too much more to look at. Ain't in here but the supercharger, the intake. I'm gonna take the intake. I'm gonna take the intake with me. What else? The oil pump with a filter, oil pump filter housing. Look, yeah, shit, stuff that I need. You know, that's why it's all in there. You know. I gotta make sure I grab this oil pan and the flywheel. I ain't worried about the rest of it. Ready to get it up out this trunk though. I don't know what this is, but I'm taking that too, cause that go on the motor behind her. Ooh, two bees, two of them. Let me get out the way. Woo! Let me get out the way. Get them bees. Something serious. But yeah, go back over here now. As I was saying, look. Go away. God damn. But as I was saying, I think that's the rear main seal. Cause I looked up, cause I need the bolts for it. And that goes right here. And the flywheel sits in front of that. See, you can go look at it over here on this one. This right here. Him right there. Yeah. So gotta make sure I bring that. But ain't nothing else to say, you know, just go ahead and I gotta get this shit loaded up and we gotta hit the road before that traffic come through. Hopefully everything fit back here. Hopefully. Engine block part gonna sit right here. Hopefully I can sit that bin right here and just stack up the little boxes and whatnot. Take out some of this stuff that don't need to go so we can add more room in the box. But yep, I'm about to go ahead and get finished loading this up, man. I just want to go ahead and show y'all what's going on real quick. You know, it's almost about to be that time to start working on Soldier Black. So we're going to be working on the Silver Surfer and we're going to be working on the Silver Surfer and Soldier Black. You know. So, them gonna be the two bills. After that one, after this one right here, we're gonna go ahead and work on a old school. We're gonna go ahead and work on the old school. I'm just gonna say it got T-tops. That's it, an old school with T-tops. Whenever we get around and start working on it, y'all gonna see then, or when they get closer, I'll talk about what kind of car it is and little stuff like that, what plans is on that one. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it at an old school with T-tops. That's it. I ain't gonna say nothing else. Nothing else. Cause for everybody that love them old schools, you know, y'all wondering right now, what are you talking about? What y'all think he talking about? You're gonna have to see, you know. But yeah. Oh, we can go around here and peep at see what's going on right here. You know. This for Soldier. I mean, nah, this for the Silver Surfer. You know. This going in the blue car. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and end it. Might pick it back up when we get to the shop or whatnot, but right now, this is what we gotta work on. Getting this stuff in here. But I'm about to get out of here. Till the next time. Y'all stay safe. Enjoy the weekend. And I'm gone.